Hello, I'm Eliana Correa. Receive my kind regards on behalf of my Rotary Club of MACHALA MODERNO. For me as President 2425, it's an honor to present our project for this year. The name is Water Management Solution Project in the Jambelí Archipelago. The reason of our interest in this area is the lack of access to basic services for the population of the archipelago of Jambelí, of the population of the archipelago of Jambelí. Even though our province is very rich in natural resources, we have been object of a deficient administration of the public government, of the local government. So we choose the water because you know that water is life. All of us know that we can't survive 48 hours without water. And it's incredible that in these times, we have locally diseases caused by the lack of water, of the improper quality of our water in our population. So this is the reason of our project, and we are really thankful to all of you for this time you are spending with us for knowing our project. Here, there's Pamela Betancourt, who is going to explain our.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Pamela Betancourt, and this is a pleasure to present this project, Water Management Solutions Project in the Jambelí Archipelago. Next one, okay. Water purifications and desalination system for human consumption in the Jambelí Archipelago. We are going to work with communities of Huacas, Pongalillo, Jambelí, Costa Rica, Casitas, San Gregorio, and Bellavista, approximately 3,030 citizens. You can find in this picture the islands and the communities that is near to our coast. Purified water shortage for direct consumptions, which triggers a series of pathologies associated with this problem. 43% of the population consumes untreated water. 40% of the population buy water from a drum, and high cost due to the distance to the continent. They have to travel many hours to find water. According to the medical brigades carried out in the population, gastrointestinal diseases like parasitosis and skin problems have been determined. We have been working there for so many years, and they are praying for this help.
Now, let's talk about the water resources. First, you can observe in this table, in the first column, the 7 communities we have. The first one, Bellavista, Casitas, Costa Rica, Huacas, Pongalillo, Jambelí, and San Gregorio Island. In the second one, you can observe the type of water resources they count with. 5 of them count with drinking water service of the Colemba system. In Jambelí, they have a shallow well, and San Gregorio Island doesn't have electricity or water resources. The time to access to mainland starts from 45 to 1 hour 15 minutes, depending on the island. And the total population of all the Jambelí Archipelago is 3,030 citizens. Advantages of the reverse osmosis water treatment plants. First, health benefits. Reduce the risk of gastrointestinal diseases and dermatological diseases. The economic benefits reduce the production cost when purchasing water within their island, as well as the immediacy with which you can acquire it. Increase property value. In areas where drinking water supply is limited or of poor quality, having a reverse osmosis plant installed can increase the value of the property by providing clean and safe water. And the administration is going to be by the president of each community, will be responsible for managing the water purification plant through the commission formed by inhabitants of the sector. Here you can see some pictures of the archipelago communities. You can observe Jambelí Island, Bellavista, Pongalillo, Costa Rica, Huacas, San Gregorio, and Casitas. The schedule of our plan is going to be, first, the planning. Visit to potential participating communities, socio-environmental participatory diagnosis. The duration is going to be 1 month. Second, community engagement, socialization, exhibition, direct community participation. Logistic, acquisition of equipment and transport to each community. 1 month. Infrastructure, construction of 5 wineries, installation of 5 water purification plants. Both of these are going to take 3 months. Data collection, monitoring, and on-site visits during the first month of equipment installation, data collection, monitoring. This takes us 12 months. And quarterly training of community team that contributes to plant management, 6 months. For total, it will be 12 months. Our budget for each thing, it will be infrastructure, 5 wineries, it's going to be 68,400. The underground well in San Gregorio Island, the same, and water purification plants, there will be 5, and quarterly face-to-face training, it will be 1, and both of these will cost 56,000. Quarterly face-to-face training. Advertising is going to take 1,000, and auditoria 6,220. And the value with the 50%, it will be 19,743, and our total it will be 100,363. Here you can see the memorandum of agreement between Rotary Club of MACHALA Moderno and local government autonomous decentralized of Santa Rosa Canton and the Ecuadorian Navy of Puerto Bolívar. Another one with the communities of the Jambelí Archipelago with each president.
Optional steps.
In order to make easier the obtaining the budget for the project, we have divided our project into 3 steps. The first places where we want to work is Huacas and Casitas. It will be for 44,376.20 cents. The second step will be in Costa Rica and San Gregorio. It will be for 55,665. And the third step will be in Pongalillo and Jambelí for 49,321. For us, it's very important, this project, because we are working in an area where there's not a lot of politicians are not interested in this area. They don't care because there's no one giving their votes. So we want to go where nobody goes, where nobody cares. It's the difference, I think, between Rotary and the politicians and the common people, because we are not trying to go where we can find a profit. We're going where these people just want to receive, and they are not going to return us anything. We are just going to, Rotary is giving, even though we don't get anything back. So I will really appreciate if you can read the project, you can contact us. Here our mails. Please reach us. We can explain in better ways. We have really important projects in our zone, but we need your help in order to change the lives and get better days to the population of our people in this province. Thank you very much.